Hey Coralle. Hi. Coralle is Coralle was 5 days ago, was her due date. So I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. And she's wearing the bird alarm. Oh braaf. So she's wearing this one. Altijd 2 keer knippert. Dat betekent dat heb ik hem op de sliepstand staan. Want Coralle gaat heel vaak lekker lang uit gewoon lezen. And normally, when they lay down for a couple of seconds, it says, labor has started. But she was laying down very often. So every time I get a call and I watched on the camera, there it is. And she was just laying down. So that's why I have the slaapstand. And that's better. So it didn't wake me up that much as before. And her udder is getting bigger, but I really don't know how big it's gonna be, because I think it's her first foal. So normally I say no, it doesn't come yet, but I never know. Maybe. We shall see. Hè, Coralle? Uniek en Reisie. Puck. En Puck is de hele tijd aan het heen en weer racen. Oeh. Oh, en Shiny.
Oh, shiny.
Skittle. Eindje. It's Monday morning. The sun is shining. The weather is perfect. I'm going to ride. Hey Reisie. Hallo. Kom maar. Hey, hallo. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo. Hey. Braaf. Coralle. Hey, Uniek. Hey. Daar is Yveske. En Shiny. Ik denk dat Rijsie zichzelf zit in het raam. Hé, hey, Rijsie! Nee. Ja. Hallo. Uniek, kom eens. Sorry, Rijsie. Yveske, Uniek en Rijsie. Zeg hem bij die kind. No, not interested. Okay, bye.